Within Business Central, when you receive a customer's purchase order, it needs to be recognized within the system as a sales order. So we go into sales orders, and from here we can see our list of orders that are in play right now, and we can go new. From here we're going to select the customer. Customer's details are loaded. We'll have their external purchase order number, which would be a PO- number. We can add any relevant notes in here. This was received on the sales. Can find this useful. You'll see some custom fields here. These are ready fields to do with our sales order management and the ability to have an urgent flag and track some status that come out through our APIs. But just here you've got the requested delivery date, which we're going to put in. I want the end of November. I can see here we've got the ability to use either our reference number, order date, posting date. So I'm going to fix these dates here, the due date, and the order date here is today, and the posting date is today. Excellent. All right, so we're going to add our items on here. That's fine, and we're going to say 5 and 5. Now, depending on your configuration, you'll either have advanced or basic warehousing. So for this example, I'm going to use basic, and then we're going to come back and show an example of a sales order with advanced warehousing. All right, this sales order is pretty simple. We've already got the details here. The only thing here is this customer has GST 10. It should calculate correctly. The location here that it's coming out of, I've deleted, because we're not needing it, we're not running this. And from here we should be able to see a couple of things here. We've got plenty of stock of this first item. We have no stock of this second item. All right, they've ordered 5. We're able to deliver 5, but we can't deliver the 5 with the second line. I'm going to come along here and I'm going to say quantity to ship. We're going to take 5 of the first one and 0 of the second line. So as you can see below, plenty of stock, no stock. I can control what I want to send through to ship, and if I want to invoice it straight away. Otherwise I just put 0 there. So this order, it's good to go. We've packed it. We've packed the 5 items we've got in stock. And from here, I'm going to go up and I'm going to just go post, ship an invoice. Okay, if we scroll over here, we're going to see some things have changed. We can see here that we've got a shipped quantity of 5. We've got an invoice quantity of 5. So this line is finished out. The sales order is still here, but the reality is that the second line has not shipped. Subsequently, it's on back order. I'm going to go insert some stock for this line so we can complete it and see what happens next. Okay, now we can see we've got stock. We can see that that's completed. And we're just going to come in through here and we're going to say quantity to ship is 5. Okay, and the thing to note is that as soon as you turn around and complete all lines on this sales order, she's going to be deleted and it's going to be recreated as an archived sales order. So 1026, remember that number, posting, post, ship an invoice. The document is now gone. We can't see it here in our list, but if we search archive, we can see sales order archives. I can see the latest number here is this one here. I've got the 2 lines that we had on our sales order. So that's our sales order as it stood. And if I go to posted sales invoice, you're going to see here that we had 2 invoices go out. to ad atom for the same purchase order number. Let's go take a look. And on here we've got our first line of 5. And on our second one, we've got our second line of 5. So 2 invoices to the customer from one purchase order that shipped on 2 different dates. That, in basic warehousing, is how we run a sales order. Thank you.